Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Myself Manisha Patak from Samarpan Gyan School going to discuss Unit 2 lesson Flying Together from English Marigold textbook. Before discussing this with you all children, let's discuss these lines which are given in pink here. Trees and plants are to be conserved. This means that we should always protect trees and plants because they also protect us from sunlight, from heavy rain, and as well they give us oxygen through which we can breathe properly in the atmosphere. Yes children? Yes, so we should always protect trees and plants. And the next thing is given, discuss in class and find out which plants, creepers or trees may be harmful for the existence of others. See children, I don't say all plants are beneficial, but there are some plants which are very harmful to us. For example, Datura, Calotropis, Parthenium, Nerium oleander, castor beans, Palmaria, and many more plants are there which are very harmful to our mankinds. Okay, see there are many plants which are very beneficial for us. For example, herbs like tulsi, mint. Yes, children, but there are some plants which are very harmful to us. So we should stay away with these plants, which the names which I have discussed with you all. Okay, children. And see next in textbook it is given. What are some of the things your parents and teachers tell you to do on time? See, there are number of things, children, the parents and teacher go on telling you to do this, to do that. Yes, for example, your parents always keep on saying get up early in the morning, brush your teeth daily, have breakfast on time. Yes, and before going to bed at night, please keep your timetable in your bag properly so that not a single book should be left at home when you are in a school. Yes, children, your parents go on hammering on your head the same thing every day. Yes, children, in the same way, teachers also discuss the same thing. Children get up early to bed. Yes, yes, children. Yes, okay. So there are many things where parents and teachers discuss with you all. Alright, children, let's start off with the lesson. What happened when you did not do as they asked you to do? See, there is one question in the blue. What happened when you did not do as they asked you to do? Yes, when your parents ask you to do something and you do not do that, your parents get anger on you. Okay, they get angry on you, right? See, every parents will do the same thing. If you will not do the things which they have told you, then they will get angry on you, right? Because they want you to do that and they want you to be good. They want you to be good in society. So they teach you each and everything which is very helpful for you. Yes, children? So always listen to your parents and do what they are trying to make you do. Deep in the forest stood a very tall tree. Its leafy branches spread out like strong arms. See, first two lines it is given. Deep in a forest stood a very tall tree. See, there was a forest. In the forest, there was a very tall tree. His branches were spread as if that tree is having too much arms. This tree was the home of a flock of wild geese. On this tree, there lived a flock of wild geese. Flock of wild geese means that flock of wild geese. Flock means jund. Okay, they were living on it. They felt safe there. One of the geese was a wise old bird. They were living there, and among them there was one geese who was very wise, who was old, and he was very wise. Wise means hoshiyar. He noticed a small creeper at the foot of the tree. He spoke to the other birds about it. One day he noticed that there is a creeper growing near the foot of the tree. You know what is creeper? Creeper grow on? A creeper needs a support to climb on. Okay, so One of the geese looked at it and he discussed it with his friends. Do you see that creeper? He said to them. Let us destroy it. Okay, then he said, friends, do you see the creepers? Let's destroy it. Then others said, why must we destroy it? Asked the geese in surprise. It is so small. What harm can it do? My friends, replied the wise old bird. When he started discussing this with his friends told, what this small creeper will harm us? Why we should destroy it? Leave it to it. That little creeper will soon grow. Then that wise old geese told them that this creeper will grow very soon. As it creeps us this tree, it will become thick and strong. Then he said, this creeper will creep it will climb in all over the branches and it will creep this tree if we will not destroy this creeper. What of that? Asked the geese. What harm can a creeper do us? Then other geese told, oh no, these creepers cannot do anything. Okay, they will just climb on the tree and no harm they will create us. Don't you see, replied the wise bird, with the help of that creeper, it will be possible for someone to climb this tree. A hunter can come up and kill us all. Then a wise old geese told that you don't have this much brain. This creeper will climb up and it will become a stairs for others to climb on, and a hunter will come and it will climb on it and he will kill us. This is what a old geese is telling to them, but others are not ready to listen to him. Well, there is no hurry, they replied. The creeper is very small. It would be a pity to destroy it now. Then the other geese told, the creeper is too small, let's leave it. When it will be bigger, at that time we will destroy it. But now it is too small, let's have some pity on it, let's not destroy it. Destroy the creeper while it is still young, the old bird advised. Now it is tender and you can cut it easily. Later it will become hard and you will not able to cut it. Then the wise old geese told them, you can destroy it now easily because it is tender. Tender means kamzor. It is now tender, but later on it will get tough and you will not able to cut it very easily. So you can destroy it now rather than destroying it afterwards. We will see, answered the birds. But they did not destroy the creeper. They forgot the wise old bird's advice. Okay, at that time they neglected the geese words and they said, we will see, later on we will destroy it, but now let's forget it. Okay, they forgot the wise old bird's advice. They forgot the advice of old wise geese. As the creeper grew, it began winding its way up to tree. Now the time has passed. Now the creeper is getting bigger and bigger and it has spread all over the tree. Stronger and stronger it became until it was strong as a thick rope. Now day by day, creeper is getting stronger and stronger, and now it is a thick rope on the tree. One morning, when the geese had gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the forest. Now what happened? Now the creeper has become big and it has become a thick rope on the tree now. One morning, a hunter came and he climbed on the tree. So this is where the wild geese live, he said to him. He climbed on the tree with the help of the creeper and then he saw, oh, here is the geese live. When they came back in the evening, I shall catch them. Then he think of an idea when they will come back. Here is the place where the geese live. When they will come back in the evening, I will catch them. Okay, see children, only this much we are supposed to discuss in this part. I will discuss the next part in the next video. Till then, start learning the new words and understand the story of the lesson. Thank you.